Hello, this is Dr. Steve Darrington with Ortho Regen Sports and Spine. Today I'm going to answer a question for you. Will stem cells help low back pain? The answer is yes. Stem cells can be a great treatment option for patients with low back pain. These treatment options help to restore spinal function, reduce pain, and get you doing the things that you love to do. I see patients all the time who've been dealing with this for decades, and they've been struggling with it, finding little piecemeal treatment options that help for a little bit of time, but not very much. Now I've got patients that are 2 and 3 years after procedures literally doing backflips because their back feels so great. If this is something that interests you, reach out to me. This can be a great treatment option for you. We're here to help. Again, this is Dr. Steve Darrington with Ortho Regen Sports and Spine.